Here we divide 334 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 3. So it became 13 and 2 times 6 means 12. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number beside this 4. So it became 14 and 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 0. So 334 divided by 2 is 167. So this much for today and thanks for watching.